Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you another wonderful tutorial, and you're going to be learning something new today on how to transfer files via your smartphone to your PC or your desktop or laptop computer without the use of a cable. Do you know that you can actually use Xender on your PC wirelessly without even connecting a cable? Most times some persons want to transfer a file from their smartphone to their system. They normally require the use of cable, but today I will be teaching you something new, and you'll be learning another wonderful tutorial on how you can within the comfort of your home transfer files from your computer to your PC wirelessly. So the first thing we're going to be starting now, you should pay attention so that you can follow the process accordingly. So what you have to do first, the first step you have to take is put on your hotspot from your smartphone. So I'm going to be showing you what we will be doing now. Just a little bit. Okay, now this is my smartphone. So what I will be doing now, I'm going to be tapping setting. This is setting on my smartphone. Okay, right now we are on setting. Then you scroll to network and internet. So I'll be clicking on network and internet. Under network and internet, you see your hotspot settings. First and foremost, I will be teaching you how to turn up and set up your hotspot. Then you go to hotspot. If you can see, you see Wi-Fi hotspot. Then you tap on Wi-Fi hotspot. Now we're going to be setting our hotspot. This is set up Wi-Fi hotspot. So let's tap on it now. In this place, you can type the name of your hotspot. That if you are if you're trying to search for your smartphone, the name that will display on your PC, that's the name you are going to put here. You can put it can be your name, it can be anything. And now we're going to be setting up a password. You can see this is my password, so you click on show password. Okay, now I set 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 as my password, as my hotspot password, that the system is going to identify this phone. Now the name of my hotspot, now I am using my YouTube channel name, which is ID Best Tech Solution. Now okay, save. So once you save, this settings has been saved on your hotspot setting. Now you are going to put on your hotspot. Now my hotspot is on. So what we are going to be doing now, we are going to be switching back to our system. Now once you have on your hotspot, so totally set up your hotspot on your phone on it, the next thing that you are going to do now is this. Now you go back to your system and you click on, as you can see my mouse, you go to your wireless on your system, which is your Wi-Fi on your system. This is the Wi-Fi. Most times in Windows 10, Wi-Fi normally carry a web icon. You click on it, automatically my phone hotspot will appear. This is the hotspot we just set up, which is ID Best Tech Solution. I am using my YouTube channel as my hotspot, so I will click on it and select connect. Normally if you put a password, if you click on connect for the first time, you are going to enter the password that you set as your hotspot password for you to connect. So it's connecting now. It's taking a little while, but it's going to connect. Okay, let me click on connect again. It didn't connect. Connect again. So I'm connecting it again. Okay, now my hotspot is connected. So the next thing you need to do now is to go back to your smartphone. Then you go to Xender. You look for your Xender. This is my Xender on my smartphone. Xender. So I will be opening my Xender. Now this is my Xender. I'm right now on Xender. Okay, this is my Xender. So what I'm going to do now is, if you open your Xender, you see at the top of the Xender, you see a three dot, something like a dash, 3 dash. You tap the 3 dash. The first option you see there is connect PC. You click on what? Connect PC. Immediately you click on connect PC, just look down on the page of the Xender. You see an address. Can you see an address there that starts with 192.168.3.1-33455? So always look at your phone. Once you click on connect PC, look at the address, but sometimes it may differ depending on the type of phone you are using, or the type of Xender or version of Xender you are using. So this address that appears here is what we are going to be using to connect our phone to our PC, for our PC to be able to identify this phone wirelessly. So what we're going to do now, you are going to open any browser of your choice, either be it Chrome or Mozilla. So now I will be using Chrome. So what you are going to do now, you type that address there, which is the address. I already typed the address here now on my browser. 192 on the address bar of your browser. .168.43.1:33455. Then you tap enter on your keyboard on your laptop or your PC. Immediately when you click on enter, your phone is going to pop up a sound that you should accept the connection. Can you see it? This is it now, that I should accept the connection. I will click on accept. Immediately you click on accept on the connection, then go back to your PC now, the browser of your PC, you click on confirm. Immediately everything on your phone will appear on your PC. This is the PC screen now. My phone has already appeared on my PC now. So if I go to my image now, every image on my phone is going to appear here. This is the image on my phone. These are the image on my phone. So they are going to appear here. If I go to my video as well, every video on my phone are going to appear. Anyone I needed on my PC, just to tap on it, then I click on this arrow on top, download, and that video will be downloaded. Are you seeing it? It's already downloading out to my PC. So let me cancel it. If I needed this, for example, now this particular video, I can just click on what? Download. If you come to my PC directly. Also, if you want to copy, if you want to access the phone memory of your phone, you scroll down to these files. You go to find and you see every folder in your phone. You can be accessing it one by one. Anything you needed to copy or download, copy to your PC or download to your PC, you just click on the folder you have a particular document inside, then you download it. Then now let me go back to the home page. If in case, for example, you want to upload a picture to your gallery on your phone, you click on picture, you go to upload. There you browse the location from your PC. For example, now these are pictures or these are pics. I can upload anyone to my phone. As I click on anyone and I click on open, it's going to upload inside my phone. This is it now. It has uploaded to my phone now. So I will be deleting it. Let me be deleting it. Let me go back. Okay, this is it now. Okay, so if I'm uploading the music, I go to music. These are my music inside my phone. I can download any of the any of the music of my choice to my PC. But if I want to add music to my PC, I can just go to upload. Then I select the music location on my PC. For example, let's say desktop. There I search for any music on desktop or video on desktop. There I can, if there's any folder you have in music, you select it. You click on open it. Automatically download to your smartphones. So this is just the simple trick and the simple step on how you can successfully, use Xender to transfer file from your PC to your smartphones and from your smartphone to your PC without the use of any cable. So thank you very much for this wonderful tutorial. Do hook up to our YouTube channel, subscribe. Subscription to our YouTube channel is free of charge. Subscription means you are going to be getting notification anytime we upload any latest tech video or update. So you get it easily. So once again, do love and like and comment. If you have any comments, you can comment and leave your comment on our YouTube channel, because we're going to be doing a video based on your comment. If there's any challenge, any solution, tech issue you are facing, you can as well comment on our channel and message us through the channel. That we're going to be doing a video based on your request. Thank you very much. I do have a lovely tech journey.